Greetings all, my name is Darrell, and this is a review of the awesome resource called My Big Campus. Our iPad deployment will depend, among other things, on My Big Campus as the learning management system where students and teachers will access and interact with content resources, information, and most importantly, each other. There's 3 reasons for working our iPad deployment around an LMS like My Big Campus. First, it opens up the world of information way beyond our textbooks. Second, it extends the classroom into potentially all of the student's life. And 3, it provides a safe environment where constructive dialogue and collaboration can occur. So what does My Big Campus have that will support this kind of experience? In this video, I'll focus on a couple of key navigational features that we'll start off with. Have a look at the left side navigation. All of these tools have very unique and rich features for acquiring, sharing, and organizing content for both colleagues and kids. Starting at the bottom and working our way up, in this video we'll look at 3 of them: profiles, your stuff, and bundles. First off, what's a profile? A lot like Facebook, your profile is where your, quote, wall exists. Take a minute to comment on what's happening and select whether you want your students to read your entry or whether you want to share it on EduTalk. EduTalk is another cool left side navigation tool that operates a lot like Twitter. Your profile is where you keep your photos, start a blog, store information about me, track followers, and select a following. Developing an online personality is important, so take a couple of minutes after this video to add a short bio about you. Here's how. In the top horizontal navigation, find the icon that looks like a person with a gear sprocket sitting on their shoulder. When you roll over it, it reads Account. After clicking, select the Edit Account information. Find the About Yourself field about 9/16 the way down and add a few things about yourself that your students and your colleagues would enjoy getting to know. This is also the place where you can upload a photo of yourself, select your role in education, so on. Have fun. The next component that we'll cover is called Your Stuff. The Your Stuff area is where all the files of your learning and instructional program exist. This is where you can upload and store documents, PowerPoints, videos, and PDFs to share with students and colleagues. One very popular feature of Your Stuff has to do with the Add button. As many of you know, our filtering program called Lightspeed blocks access to YouTube videos while at school or anywhere within our district's firewall. So let's say you're at home and surfing for that perfect lesson starter for your students and stumble upon a YouTube video. It's perfect, except it's, well, YouTube. But wait, the Add button gives you a way to show your awesome video, your goldmine of insight, to your classroom students, or better yet, on their iPads. Here's how. While the YouTube video is playing, go up to your internet browser's address bar and copy the URL. Back in Your Stuff, click on the Add button and select YouTube Video. Paste the URL of that awesome video, click Get Info, and proceed to complete any fields left unfilled, and your amazing video is ready for students' consumption. Finally, what are bundles? The final area that we'll cover in brief is called, quote, Bundle. Click on the bundles and you can get an instant array of the most recent collection of themed units available. To locate a pre-existing bundle, search by the most common type and subject. To access your bundles or create a new bundle, select the options at the top. In order to create a new bundle, complete each of the components from information to collaborators. Here's a bundle that I created. In this lesson, I want students to learn about nonverbal communication by watching a YouTube video that I imported into my stuff. It's a preview trailer about the movie called The Artist. After students watch the clip, I've given them directions to make a discussion post. On the right side, you'll notice the sections that were completed in the original setup for this bundle, including activities, objectives, summaries, etc. There's so much more to cover in all of these areas of my big campus profile, your stuff, bundles, but hopefully this will serve as a starting point for further exploration and learning. Thank you for watching.